Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I got my next BOXYCHARM and I really wanted to share this with you guys now. I wanted to do a try on style video with this next BOXYCHARM. However, it's been such a busy week. It's prom week here. So the salon's been really busy and we're going away this weekend. We're leaving Friday right after work. So I really wanted to get this video done and out for you guys to see before it was July. So forgive me, I'm not doing a try on. I promise next month I will, but it was a really exciting box and I really wanted to show you guys what all came in the box. So this month's BOXYCHARM is Caribbean Queen themed. So it always comes with like a little sort of insert, so it tells you what's in it, the value of the items, and all that good stuff. So the first item in here is we've got a set of 3 Luxie brushes. You guys know I love the Luxie brushes. I've gotten a lot of these through Ipsy and also through BOXYCHARM, so it's definitely like a favorite for subscription boxes, I guess. But I really like them. They're synthetic bristles, they're super easy to clean, the quality seems really good to me. So I'm excited to get more brushes. I feel like I'm getting so many nice brushes in my subscription boxes that I could really now like declutter some older brushes that have seen better days, and I really am preferring the synthetic bristles. So this was a 3-piece set. It's the Flawless Complexion set, and these are valued at $42 for the set of 3. So we've got a duo fiber powder brush. So it's got sort of longer and shorter bristles here. So for a duo fiber brush like this, it says use this ultra soft duo fiber brush to apply cream or powder makeup for a softer, flawless finish. So I feel like this would be really good for the powder under the eyes. It's really, really soft, but it's not dense, so I feel like it would be really good for that. I'll play around with that and see what else I like it for, and I'll definitely mention it down the road in another video. Maybe I'll do a get ready with me and talk a little bit more about different brushes. Then we've got the Precision Foundation brush. So it's got a little bit of a point to it. Now you guys know that I love my e.l.f. Ultimate blending brush. I use this every day, but I'll certainly try this for foundation. I can always find a use for a brush. You definitely don't need to use them for what they say they're for, though you certainly can. Now this one got a little mucked up in the packaging, but once you, usually if that happens, like once you wash them, they'll kind of come back to their original shape. So this is a tapered highlight brush, so it's larger than this one here that I normally use. It's a little bit larger. So I'll give that a wash and give it a try. I'm sure it'll be great for the highlight. So those are the 3 brushes that we got. Then we got, so this is Battington lashes, Monroe silk lashes. These are gorgeous. There's so much glare. Those are so nice. I sneaked a peek at the box. I couldn't help myself. I had seen online what we were getting in the box and I couldn't wait. I had to see. So oh my gosh, these are so soft. I talked about in my how to apply false lashes video, I'll link that below, but I talked about my favorite lashes being the Kiss lashes that I get at Walmart. I love them. They're so soft, and these are even softer. So they are silk lashes. So 3D multi-layer Monroe silk lashes enhance your look with moderate length, adding volume and length to your lashes. So they're handmade with 100% silk. So these are really beautiful. Now, I don't wear lashes every day. I'm not one of these like throwing on lashes and going to work kind of people, but I do certainly love them for special events. I used to wear the eyelash extensions for many, many years. So this is a great alternative. So I'll certainly give these a try. I'm sure I'll love them. And the band seems really flexible on them. So I'm excited to try those. They look like really high-end lashes. The value on these is $28. I usually buy like a pack of 5 sets for like 15 bucks. So those are some pretty high-end lashes, but it says on the card, Made with 100% silk and impressive durability, allowing up to 25 applications with proper care. So if you cared for these properly and didn't apply like a bunch of mascara to them and take them off, put them back in the box where they belong, you should be able to get multiple wears out of a set like this. So I'll certainly be trying those out for the next sort of special occasion. Here's Charlie. So the next thing in here is Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. So I've actually heard of this before, and it has like rave reviews. This is supposed to be really, really good, like a body butter. I'm gonna open it up because I've heard people rave about how good it smells. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. It smells really good. It's got like that tropical, like kind of coconut smell to it. This is like a sample size. You can get it in like a big jar. So anytime with the BOXYCHARM that they do a sample, usually then you're getting 6 items. So you get your 5 full-size items and then like a deluxe size sample. So this will be great for travel. So it's a fast-absorbing body cream, and it's supposed to tighten and smooth. It seems to me it has caffeine in it. Yeah, it has caffeine, so it's antioxidant. So I think it's essentially like really good for like cellulite, very, very hydrating. So that'll be really nice to take with me on my travels whenever I actually go somewhere. So I'm excited to try that. I've heard really good things about it, but I've never actually tried it. I've never actually tried it myself. So the next thing in here that we have is the Jonteblu eyeliner pencil, and this is in, I believe, yeah, dark brown. So it is a waterproof eyeliner pencil. This is valued at $5, and it's 100% vegan, and it's waterproof. So, I mean, you can't go wrong with a dark brown eyeliner. So it's got some nice pigment, and it's not like the gel type eyeliner, so it doesn't glide on like a gel eyeliner, but that probably means it's going to stay put a little bit better. I have quite a few of the gel type, like the Smashbox, the Fishnet, and the Urban Decay, the 24/7 glide on eye pencil. Like, these are really nice. They glide on really well, but they don't generally stay put all that well. So I like just a regular pencil sometimes if you just want to do like a smudgy line. So I'm excited to try that. I've never heard of Jonteblu as the brand, but it's made in the US, so we'll give it a whirl, see what we think of it. I'll have to do a get ready with me soon where I'm trying out some of the newer things that I've talked about in some videos. Now the next thing is the Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick. I've actually never tried Ofra, but I've heard really good things about it, so I'm excited to try this. And this color is called Verona, and it seems to me this was like either a limited edition color or maybe it was made like for the BOXYCHARM. So it's a long-lasting liquid lipstick. This is valued at $21, and it's sort of a different brown, but not like a dark brown. So let's see a swatch here. So you can see it's kind of a unique color, but I actually really like that. I'm not really one for brown lipsticks, but I like this sort of tone. I have a Lip Sense in a similar color, but I love that. I prefer a matte finish, and I really like the liquid lipstick, so I'm excited to give that a try. I think the color looks really good. I'll definitely be trying that on in an upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. Now, the thing that I was most excited about, of course, can you guess what it is? Was your guess a palette? You were right. So this is a palette by Alamar, and it's got 8 shades inside. So you can see, take that little thing out of there. So you can see in here, there's 8 shades, and we've got 4 mattes on this side, and we've got 4 shimmers on this side. Now, something interesting that I thought about this palette was, if you look really close, I think you guys can see how there's a little like drop shape there, and then a little like, what is it, a sun shape right here. So those indicate that these ones you can use wet and these ones you can use dry. So I thought that was a really interesting thing to put in a palette, because I know when I see shimmers in a palette or metallics or those types of colors that you can usually use them wet or dry, and oftentimes if you want to get a real punch out of your color, they work better when you use them wet or on a brush with some setting spray. But not everybody knows that. So I think it's great that they kind of indicated that on there. So let's swatch a few. Let's see. So how am I going to do this so you guys can see? So I'll do it over here. So let's see. They're going to be so pretty. Okay, oh my gosh, they're going to be so pretty. So we've got our shimmer shades. Oh my gosh. That's just a dry finger, you guys. That is some major, major pigment. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm very excited. Can you tell? Okay, now let's swatch the matte colors. I just want to make sure my hand's really dry. The texture on these is so nice. They're so smooth. They don't seem to be powdery at all. So let's see the mattes. They're very pigmented. This one not as much, but that will be more of a transition color anyway, so you don't really want it to be majorly pigmented, but holy smokes, look at that, you guys. So the truth is out. The real reason I didn't want to wait any longer to do this video was because I couldn't wait to get into this palette. I didn't want to touch anything until I had a chance to do this video. I like to do it as sort of like a let's see what we got together type thing. So, oh my gosh, look at those metallics. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. So as you can tell, I'm very excited about the BOXYCHARM box this month. I have been loving BOXYCHARM. I don't regret one little bit signing up for it. I had originally thought that I would cancel my Ipsy membership right away. I was just putting some micellar water to remove that. I thought I would cancel Ipsy right away, and then I decided to give it like another month or two to decide for sure. And then my Ipsy bag this month was really good, so I think for sure I'm going to keep BOXYCHARM up. I haven't decided if I'm going to continue with Ipsy or not. If you have any feelings or opinions on the matter, it would be great if you would comment below. Help me make a decision. I can always use the help. I'm definitely not regretting signing up for BOXYCHARM. I've only gotten 2 boxes so far, but they've blown it out of the water both times. I love it. I'm thrilled. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Did you like the box? Are you signed up for BOXYCHARM? Are you thinking about it? Let me know what you think. I'd love to know. So that's it for me today. I'll try to get this video up ASAP. I really want to get it up before we go away this weekend and hopefully do something different for you guys next week because this was like subscription box week. But I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.